she fucked that question, been harassing me in the mind. This bitch is fine, I done came to the club about to get the 11th time. Now can I play with your panty line? The club wanna say I need to calm down. Security guards gonna swing me now. Think I'm drunk, then I'm up, I'ma threaten me now.
She getting drunk in the club, I mean she work. And then I like to see them females twerk. Taking the clothes off, bucking naked. And yeah, hold on, disrespect it. I pop your pussy like this. Cause you ain't twins in this B.I.H. Lil John and the East Side boys with me. And we all like to see ass and titties. Now bring your ass over here, ho, and let me see you get low. If you want this stuff, now take it to the floor. Now if your ass wanna act, then you can keep your ass where you at.
369, tell me fine. Just take it to me one more time and go. Get low, get low, get low, get low, get low, get low. To the window, to the wall, to the wall.
Sweat drop down my ball.
My ball.
All these bitches raw. All these motherfuckers. All these goddamn. All these motherfuckers. All these goddamn.
Let me see you get low, you scared, you scared. Turn that ass to the floor, you scared, you scared. Let me see you get low, you scared, you scared. Turn that ass to the floor, you scared, you scared. Turn that ass, hey, shake it back, hey. Turn that ass to the left and the right, hey. Turn that ass, hey, shake it back, hey. Turn that ass to the left and the right, hey. Now, back it up, hey. Back it up, hey. Back it up, hey. Back it up. Now stop, then wiggle with it, 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 369, damn good, fine. She just take it to me one more time and go. Get low, get low, get low, get low, get low, get low.
To the window. To the wall.
To the wall,
To the sweat drop down my ball.
my ball.
All these bitches raw. All these motherfuckers. All these goddamn. All these motherfuckers. All these goddamn.
Go back, go get your friends. Stupid bitch standing there while I'm drinking my hands. Steady looking at me.
Lama walau terikat rasa hina semuanya kau tak percikan rasa sayang.
Terima kasih banyak buat teman-teman semuanya. Terima kasih Pak Itu atas supportingnya untuk malam hari ini. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih.